2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, airbags, 2-ton jack, keyless entry, cruise control, power door locks with auto lock feature, compass, fog lamps, Secure-Lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, cargo area light, interval wipers, map lights, scuff plates, perimeter alarm, rear wheel drive, dual note horn, cup holders. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.